So I'm making an egg soup. I put the egg already in there, and already. So it's the second egg, and I put it the contents of a package. It's called ramen noodle soup maruchan. So now I just have to stir it really quickly. I cannot put too many eggs in here because if not, then it's gonna get all mushy afterwards. So now I'm going to close it and cook it on high for a few minutes. I'll cook it like for 3 minutes. I'm gonna boil it, and then this is part of the soup that I made. So it's supposed to look like this. See, this is soup with the egg. So it's supposed to look like this. This is the soup and the egg. The yellow part is the egg. So this can be done with Asian soups as well. It's a really good idea. And it'll come out real tasty, real good. And the rice that I will put in there will be white rice. I'm going to stir it again. That one is already done. I'm going to use some of this. I already used 1 spoon, but I can clean spoon. I'm gonna stir it again. I think it's Yep, it's done. It's done. Ahí está la sopa de huevo. Oh yeah. So I'm going to, if not, then it's gonna close it. And whenever something is, of course, one of the cooking rules is whenever something is done, then you take it, you put it away from the burner so that it won't burn, right? The stove too much. And then it's done. So that's it, the soup. This is the soup. That is the soup. Sopa de huevo. Real cool to eat. I'll take my mask off immediately because I was with my turkeys and they, of course, must not have feathers close by. Sopa de huevo. Un poquito suavecito, pero because in the first one I put it 1 egg, so in the second one I put it 2. So that is the soup. Yeah, it is a bit soft because I put it on 2 eggs. That's it. A very fast recipe. Anybody can do it. You don't have to be a genius. Anybody can do it. That is for sure. I like to have my kitchen clean. I don't like things that are dirty around me. This spoon is clean. I'll put a little bit more. That's it. Done. Sopita. So you just get any soup that you see in the supermarket that comes in a packet. You put in the pot that you use at home. You put in the ingredients. You put the soup in there, the contents of the soup. If it comes with any sauce or anything, you need the package inside. Little package inside. You open it and you stir all the contents of the soup. And then later on you mix it with egg. Yeah, you do. And then you have an egg soup. Like what I did. I use this one. So, ramen noodle soup. Again, so I put it the ingredients of it. The noodles inside the pot with the little package inside. I open everything, put it in the pot, and then I put water, of course, in the pot. I stirred everything, and then I put it 1 egg, and later on, when the soup was almost done, I put another egg. I stirred it. Yeah, listo, and then soup is completely done. But yes, it looks a little bit soft because I put 2 eggs. But remember, when you do egg soup, just try to put mainly 1. But I wanted to try and see what it looked like with 2 eggs. But it looks good though. But yeah, 1 or 2 soups, or as many. 1 or 2 eggs are okay, or as many as you want. 1 is ideal, but if you want to put more, that's fine. Alright, then I'm gonna take the mask off. But I am going to eat. De la mascarilla. So this is it. I'm gonna put the spoon away. And then it's time to eat. Buen provecho. Bon appetit.